everyone, I'm an Oxford fabric thermal bag. Let me share the story of how I came to be. My life began as a roll of Oxford fabric. The master is carefully mixing colors for my custom logo. After confirming the colors, I was placed on the screen printing machine. With its help, I received my very own logo, my identity. My first step, my first transformation. Meet Pearl Cotton. I rely on him for my insulation power. As the sewing needle and thread ran across me, I gained the zipper mouth. And of course, there is a worm inside. Cut according to my dimensions. Next is the hand attachment of the zipper pull. Now it's my third stage. Time to get my handles put on. With the pattern machine and workers' help, I quickly got my hands. Finally, thanks to the skilled sewing workers, I was born. I'm durable and insulated, made by a strong factory. Come take me home. Oh wait, I'm already spoken for.
JiaRong Packaging, your trusted partner.